how to use Uber, how to do Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use or basically do Uber. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to use and do Uber and then you want to become a delivery driver or a rider, you will have to download this Uber driver application first from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you download the Uber driver app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, where what you need to do from here is you just need to make sure to go ahead and then basically use your profile photo here. And once you use your profile photo, you also want to make sure to sign up with your driver's license. Then you want to make sure to select your vehicle insurance, then the registration certificate number and the vehicle commercial permit, and you should be able to sign up for your driving account. This way you should be able to become a Uber driver. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.